How to live like a king making YouTube videos. Let's jump into it. So what I'm presenting on the screen, these are some numbers that I've made to show you what it means actually to make some money on YouTube, right? Let's imagine for a second that you wanted to make $1,000 on a monthly basis. That means that on a yearly basis, you would want to make $12,000. Now, there are different reports out there that talk about how much you get for every 1,000 views. Those reports talk about anything between, let's say, $2 to $10. And let's imagine in this scenario that we make $5 every 1,000 views. This means that you will need 200,000 views on a monthly basis to make that $1,000 a month. And that's the same as saying that you need 2.4 million views every year to make $1,000 per month. Next, I want to show you what it means to make $10,000 on a monthly basis. That's a salary of about $120,000 on a yearly basis. Again, if we say $5 every 1,000 views, that means that we need about 2 million views on a monthly basis to make that. And that's a total of 24 million views per year. This also means that it would take you probably around 8 years to make $1 million in your bank account. Next, I want to talk about a real example. These are the numbers of my channel after 1 year. So I've made 54 videos. The truth is I've not spent too much time, thinking about the content or doing the research or, the production value of my videos, but I've created 54 videos. I have another video on my channel that talks about the analytics after 1 year, so you can watch that as well if you want. But in my first year, I've been able to get 65,000 views and to get 275 subscribers. So what happens now is because I have some subscribers, because I have some content that is evergreen that people are searching for inside of YouTube, now I get 6,000 views on a monthly basis without doing anything. They are just from people watching previous videos, okay? I would like 1% of the videos I make to become viral. And what that means is that they get to up to 1 million views. And so when that happens, that 6,000 that I'm getting every month without doing anything is going to become, just by the same rule, 90,000 views on a monthly basis. This also means that I will get 300 subscribers on a monthly basis without doing anything else. And so at that point, that means I'll be getting $500 on a monthly basis just with the videos that I'll have created so far. Obviously, this is very far to the $10,000 on a monthly basis, and so it's not enough to want to make some money. It's also important to understand how we get there. And you need a strategy, and the strategy on YouTube is the one that you see on the screen. And in my case, after going through the analytics in my channel after 1 year, these are some of the things that I want to change going forward. My strategy is a long-term strategy. I know it's going to take me a while to get there, but I actually want to grow my channel, have more videos, and for them to be more successful. And you have to do that over time. So those 54 videos that have not made too many views during the first year, that means that I need to change something. And these are the things that I want to change. I'm going to make more videos on a weekly basis. I'm going to have much shorter introductions. I used to have very long introductions where I would introduce myself and stuff like that. As you started this video today, you realize I don't do that anymore. So I'm changing that already. I also want to increase the production value. I've not spent too much time with the quality of the videos. And in this video you're watching now, you can see that I'm starting to test a new camera. And I'll be using this camera going forward. I think it's going to have a good impact into the things that are coming next. I also know that I need to do a better job by doing research. I used to create the videos that I wanted. And instead, I think what I need to do now is to create the videos that my audiences want to watch and that are really searching for inside YouTube or inside Google. The other thing that is important is the thumbnails and titles. I know those are important, but I want to spend more time doing a better job at them so they can increase the click-through rate and also the number of minutes that people watch my videos. And with all these things, I think progressively I'll do a better job at those analytics, and hopefully I can crack the code and make one of those viral videos that gets to 1 million. So then I have a base to make some money on a monthly basis. And from there, rinse and repeat, make other videos that become viral and then get it to the $10,000 on a monthly basis. So I hope you find this video interesting. If so, please like and subscribe. Send me a comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much and talk to you soon.